Where are you going? Right. Oh, you have to pick that up. Hey, what's up, y'all? It's me, Jenny here. Today is Quick Tip Monday, and I've got a quick tip for you. So my quick tip is this: jojoba oil. Please don't mind. Don't touch that, Kyler. Please don't mind my son in the background. He's just playing. My quick tip is this: jojoba oil. So jojoba oil is actually the closest thing to the oils that our skin creates. So if you don't like to use creams, or you're that person that likes to use natural everything, put jojoba oil on your face and it's just like using a cream. And there you have it. That is my quick tip for you. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe all down below, or you can catch me on all my social media, which is right here. That's at kiss.jennie. That's spelled kiss.jennie, Jenny with an IE. Or if you want to subscribe to my channel, click on my face here. Or if you want to catch me in my last video, click right here. I upload videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, and I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.